So, you're probably wondering what this weird doohickey is. Well, this is going to be the foundational piece for the cockpit of Talos, the second giant robot. Yeah, I know I'm a terrible person. I'm already starting to work on the second one when I still have work to do on the first one, but it's always good to keep, a couple projects going so one can inspire the other and give yourself a break from certain aspects of that to focus on different aspects, And I'm going to sit down on the seat and show you exactly why this shape is so important. You see, this is a more ergonomical shape to have for a giant robot's cockpit. So, you've got the seat for your bottom right here, so you can sit down on the seat, and then your legs will be nice and relaxed and at an angle, so then you can do all your pedal stuff and move around and all that sort of thing. Now, you see, this sort of shape is kind of important because your legs are nice and relaxed, they aren't all scrunched up like in MARDUK, and you've got a lot more room to move your legs around and stuff. One of the things Megabots was talking about on some of the podcasts they've been on is that they first started with a little person and then built the cockpit around that and built the giant robot around the cockpit. With MARDUK, I did the opposite way. I built the giant robot, then tried to cram the cockpit inside, and unfortunately it shows because you're all scrunched up like this inside. But with Talos, I'm going to be taking a leaf from Megabot's book and starting with the seat for your bum first. That way, you're nice and relaxed. You've got lots of room for all the goodies. There'll be lots of button panels and stuff. And the way this is shaping up, it looks like it might be able to have a pointy sort of torso on Talos. Have it sort of an angle like that for the front instead, which would be kind of neat. I mean, it would be really fun if I could make the pilot sit at an angle, kind of like this, so they're like half standing, half sitting, But that would be a little interesting to try to accomplish with all the straps and stuff. But it would also mean that I could in the design make it so it's got a jagged sort of front, kind of like the front of the MARDUK from Metal Skin Panic MARDUK 01. Show that picture. Nice. Because, I kind of like that OVA because it's got a really realistic mech in it and stuff. Because, I don't know, I guess I'm a bit of a geek when it comes to that sort of thing. So, giant robots have humble beginnings. This, I suppose, will be the one for Talos. So, if you do enjoy my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you know people who like giant robots too, share it with them. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.